Engine oil is very important for your car. It keeps the engine parts moving smoothly, reduces heat, and protects the engine from damage. Choosing the right engine oil helps your car run better and last longer. Here are some differences between synthetic and conventional engine oil, explained in simple words, so you can decide. Conventional oil is made from crude oil that is taken directly from the ground and then refined so it can be used in vehicle engines. It is a good choice for older cars or vehicles that are driven under normal conditions without heavy loads or extreme weather. Conventional oil is usually cheaper than synthetic oil, but it needs to be changed more often to keep the engine running well. Synthetic oil is made in a laboratory using advanced chemical processes that create a cleaner and more consistent oil with higher quality. It flows better in very cold weather and stays stable in very hot temperatures, which helps protect the engine in extreme conditions. Synthetic oil helps keep the engine cleaner by reducing sludge and buildup, which can improve engine life. Conventional oil contains more impurities because it comes from natural crude oil, which can leave behind unwanted particles even after refining, and these impurities can affect engine performance over time. It can also create more sludge buildup inside the engine if it is not changed regularly. Synthetic oil is cleaner and more refined since it is made in a laboratory under controlled conditions, resulting in fewer impurities and better protection for the engine. This helps the engine run smoother and can extend its overall lifespan. Conventional oil gives basic protection by reducing friction between engine parts, which is suitable for regular driving under normal conditions. However, it can break down faster and may provide less protection in extreme temperatures or during heavy driving, which can lead to increased engine wear over time. Synthetic oil offers stronger protection against engine wear because it is specially engineered to resist breakdown and maintain stable performance in both high and low temperatures. This improved protection helps keep engine parts well lubricated and reduces damage. Conventional oil needs to be changed more frequently, usually every 3,000 to 5,000 miles, because it breaks down faster and loses its effectiveness over time. In contrast, synthetic oil is designed to last longer and can typically go 7,500 to 10,000 miles or more between oil changes, helping protect the engine for a longer period and reducing how often maintenance is needed. If you drive an older car, do short trips, and want a lower-cost option, conventional oil may be enough. However, if you drive a newer car, live in an area with extreme weather, tow heavy loads, or want better performance and engine protection, synthetic oil is a better choice.